Granny Square. So, bayan ako ani baby guys. So, muna ko muna tote bag. So, what's this? Maghimot na. Maghimot na o 20 or 30 kay nga. So, what's this? Pwede kayo mo maglisod guys. Para simple lang. Pwede naman yung ihigot. Like this. Higot-higot. So, higot-higot. Chain 1, chain 2, and 3. So, hinuta dari 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet guys. Then, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Another 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet. So, it's done. So, we have like this already. So, double crochet yapon guys. There is the next. Dirita mag-spacing guys. Dirita mag-spacing na rin. So, the 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Guys. Oops. Another one. Antod malibot na to siya guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, antod liboto na to siya guys ha.